Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy eToro stock. First, you'll need to create an account on the eToro platform if you haven't already. Go to the eToro website and click on the Join Now button. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to verify your account by following the instructions sent to your email. Once your account is set up, log in and deposit funds into your account. Navigate to the Deposit Funds option on the dashboard. You can choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank transfer, credit card, or other online payment options. Make sure to select the amount you want to deposit and confirm the transaction. It may take a few moments for the funds to appear in your account. After your funds are credited, use the search bar to find eToro stock. Type in eToro and select it from the list of results. You will be taken to the Stocks Information page, where you can review important details like the current price and market trends. Once you've decided to buy, click on the Trade button. In the order window, enter the amount of shares you wish to purchase. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels if you want to manage your risk. Review your order to ensure everything is correct, then click on the Open Trade button. Your eToro stock will be added to your portfolio, and you can track its performance in your account.